Hello gardening geeks, welcome back to my channel Gautami's Garden. Today I would like to take you on a tour to a resort which is put up in Kanakpura Road, that is Guhantara Resort. Let's go see this resort. This is basically the entrance of Guhantara. So you can see there's just greenery everywhere. Let me show you all. See, can you see? This is the greenery. This is roughly around 35 to 40 kilometers away from Bangalore city. The resort also has a car parking. Let me take you all to the car parking. Follow, follow. The best part about this car parking is the parking lot is also situated amidst greenery. So isn't this amazing? So there are different varieties of trees and plants here. I might not be able to describe about each and every plant. I would just like to show you the location of this resort. I think we'll just go inside now. Can you see these are the bamboo trees which are here? It is just formed an arch at the entrance. Lovely and wonderful. I just have a secret to you about the bamboo trees. The thing is, once we plant a bamboo, per day I heard it grows about 3 feet tall. So if anyone wants to try bamboo in their compound, you can definitely go ahead with it. So I would suggest to have bamboo trees in your compound. So let's go inside. This is the entrance. Uh, can you see? There's a the entrance is made of something different. The floor is made of all wood sticks which are tied together. Wonderful place. Let's go in now. Yes, so as soon as we enter, we can find the security corner here. Guhantara is taking care of the customers really well. They check our temperature as soon as we enter. They give us the sanitizer. We have to enter our basic details like the name, where we are coming from, our telephone number, and as soon as they check their temperature, they ask us to record and then our vehicle number. So after giving these basic details, I would like to use the sanitizer also. So wherever we go, let's not forget about sanitizing our hands. And so I think I will continue my journey with a mask. So here I am ready to go inside. Let's enter the resort. Come. So this is our reception here. So we have Manu. So here we have the reception desk in charge, Manu. So he has given us the allotted room whichever we had booked. Today we have planned to stay here at the resort. So yes, he has asked me about my PNR number and he has given me a registration card. Going to fill it up and then enter inside. So here we are entering the resort. The thing is, we want to check into our room first, keep our luggage there, and then explore the resort. So let's go. This is basically an underground cave resort. You can see the rock-like features here. They also have medical assistance in this resort. Can you see there's a wheelchair at the entrance? Let's go inside. This is basically an artificial one, created, not a natural one. So don't get confused. Oh my God, it is pitch dark inside here. But okay, there's some light. Can you see? This is the natural light. Yay! So after entering the room here, first let's see the roof of this room. Come in, come in. So the roof, it is again like artificial only. Everything is artificial, but looks so different. Look at this beautiful lamp here. Wow, an earthen one, very close to the nature with a bulb in it. Wow, looks beautiful. So let me show you all this simple small painting. This is a village type of a painting. So I can see a man skipping here and lady trying to sell something in her cart. Is there anything left in her cart? Okay, so this is the grass and these are the wooden houses. So this reminds me of a village setup. By the way, to tell you all, I love villages and I love village. Oh, this is so good. So wonderful. Yeah. This is a question for all of you. This leaf smells so good. So, I don't know what they call it in Kannada. In Telugu, it is Vamaku. So, it smells really good. It is used to make kashaya and other things. Here, these are all very well grown shrubs. Different plants are here. These are all for decorative purpose. I'll get back to you with these names a little later. So, let me get in again. Yes, so we are done with our lunch. Oh, it was buffet lunch. Great it was. So, why am I like this changed? Because I'm going to enter the rain disco. So, shall we go see the dance floor? Follow. So here we are in the playground of Guhantara. So you can see there are various sports and activities here, like climbing is there, zobbing is there, cricket ground is there. We can rent a bicycle and then go for cycling. And there's also this dirt bike or quad bike, what we call. We have badminton play area. We also have basketball play area, as you can all see, and there's a horse riding stable also. So now I want to try horse riding, which is my most favorite. So let's go and check this horse riding out. Please make yourselves comfortable. Hello. Okay, bye-bye.
Say.
So yes, friends, like after finishing all the activities, now we are heading towards the dinner buffet. Uh, I want to see what all they serve for dinner. Since it's buffet, I'm expecting a little too much. I finished all my activities like horse riding, zip lining, then quad bike, all other many other activities which are at Guhantara. So along with my husband, he had given me the best company, so I didn't miss out any game, including the pool. Yeah. To tell this to you all, pool was very well maintained. That's the best part. Generally, when we go elsewhere, no, the pools will be a little dirty. They don't change the water and all that. But at Guhantara, the pools are really amazing. There's one big pool for adults, one adjacent small pool for kids, wherein we can give company to the kids, and the third pool which you have seen near the waterfall entrance. This is the pool I was talking about. So here I am finally in the dining area of Guhantara. So this is the buffet place where they serve the most yum food. So I just can't wait to eat. So let's basically check out and see what is there for dinner. So they say veg hot garlic soup. See, to avoid confusions and for people to know which is the veg and non-veg section, Guhantara has divided things into veg and non-veg section, and they have named it. Look at their creativity. There's an old slate basically which they have used and they have written. And we have to also appreciate their handwriting. So this is the veg hot garlic soup. And what else we have? Let's go here. This is the non-veg section, so you can all see. We need not have to ask people what it is because it is already named and kept ready. So let's go to the veg section also and see. This is Shanghai potato and this is paneer. Wow, my favorite. And non-veg for vegetarians is paneer. So, and my favorite too. Veg kolha puri, dal tadka is there, veg biryani, steamed rice and rasam along with curds. So I just cannot wait to eat. Let's finish the dinner and then. So it was wonderful staying here in this resort, and I recommend this resort for a day visit and also for staying for people in and around Bangalore, and also for those who want to explore new places. Guhantara is a must try. Cheers to Guhantara and to the team and management. Thank you. And here I would specially like to thank the photographer and the cameraman, my husband Dr. Ranjit. Thank you so much for all this recording.